All right, what's up? What's up? I told you guys I was gonna give y'all that video on that mixer that I ordered off Macari, one of the websites that I deal with. It wasn't wrapped too good. I tell people all the time, man, to make sure they wrap things really well. This here was like kind of shady once again with the bubble wrap. This is a heavy unit, so you know, with it tossing around and bouncing around inside of a box, it's gonna most likely destroy the bubble wrap. That's why you gotta put enough of it in it. Gotta wrap it up as much as possible, at least 2 or 3 times in the bubble wrap. But yeah, this is it right here. I see they cleaned it up. Pretty much pretty good. Looks good to me. Fairly clean compared to what it was looking like. I'm gonna clean it some more. Now this here mixer here, I found it online, and it was going anywhere from $250 with shipping, and anywhere from like $150 plus shipping would be an extra $50. Anywhere from $200 to $250. They actually threw in one of these adapters here. Won't be using that, but yeah, looks pretty good. Looks like it'll get the job done. Weighs about 8 pounds. But yeah, this is it. I'll catch you guys in another video with it playing. Tell you what I like about it or what I don't like about it. All right, catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.